audio.
Hey guys, I'm Daniel Light from Basscraft Audio. If your Euphoric Hardstyle lead sounds thin, weak, or getting lost by your kick, you're probably missing something. It's all about getting right sound to glue together. Today I'm showing you how I usually build my massive Euphoric Hardstyle leads using only 3 layers. So let's go into it. Layer 1 is our foundation. This is the power of the sound of the lead. I'm using classic SuperSaws with 8 voices of unison on each oscillator and slightly different fine tuning for each oscillator. And oscillator A2, I pitch it 1 octave down for the mids. For EQ, I'm cutting out all below 200 Hz, that unnecessary low end, and leave the room for the kick, and giving small 3 to 4 decibel boost around 500 Hz to make it feel thick. Next is the character of the lead. Layer 1 provides the size, but layer 2 provides the attitude. I'm using a square wave hybrid here. This layer needs to be more aggressive, so I added some light distortion and lot of pitch, as you can see here. Together with body, they sounds. See how it got through. We are EQing this little bit differently. Here I got all below 400 Hz and boosting around 2000 Hz. This layer makes the melody readable on small speakers. The final secret is the air. This layer is pitched 1 octave higher. As you can see here, it's very thin, soft wave with lot of the white noise. On its own it sounds annoying and hissy. But in the mix it at that high end, I'm pushing this layer to the extreme sides of the stereo field. We want foundation in the middle and the air wrapping around the listener's head. And for the EQ, I got everything below 1 kHz. It's strictly for the top end only. And now finally, let's glue them together. It's pretty simple and easy process. First, I add OTT from 10 to 30% is enough to bring out the details. Then I add saturation. My favorite preset is Hip Hop Puncher. I use this preset for years. This bonds the frequencies, and at the end I cutting out again this low end. And there it is. If you found this video helpful, drop the comment with what tip or tutorial you want to see next. I read every comment. Happy producing, and see you in next video.